welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you how to solve the problem of bank card blocked by Facebook ads. So let's see. All right, so just like what you see on the screen right here, debit or credit card, so card blocked. This action has been blocked by your issuing bank. Please contact your bank for assistance or try again with a different card. This kind of things can frustrate ones to run a successful ad, because if your payment was not successful on Facebook, there is no way your ad is going to be run, or there is no way your ad is going to be approved. That is basic truth. Then how do you solve this particular problem? So most time, this type of issue comes with our financial issuer of the MasterCard or Visa card. But if you don't want to go through the stress of going through your bank and make a complaint with them, there are alternative way to create a virtual bank card that will work perfectly with Facebook ad. No matter where you are, just follow the step in this video and you are going to solve the problem of card decline or card blocked by Facebook ad. So what you need to do is to simply come to your home tab right here, create a new tab. Then you have to head over to a website called Gree. So press enter key on your keyboard, it take you right here. Now what you need to do here, so Gree is an international money transfer and foreign bank. So what you need to do here is to simply click on create an account. So it's going to load up just like what you see right here. Then select your country right here, select your country and follow the prompt information. Then when you fill up and sign up your account, you have to verify your account with an international passport or driver's license. When you verify your account, you will be issued a card like this, just like what you see on the screen right here. This MasterCard works perfectly with Facebook ad. So once you create a virtual card, whether Master or Visa card, then what you need to do is to go back to Facebook, enter the card detail into the payment section on Facebook ad, and your card will be approved, and then from there, you can fund your ad account without any stress. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to solve the problem of bank card blocked by Facebook ads and run Facebook ads seamlessly without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.